saliva, hormones, digestive enzymes, and milk, and forms a multicellular gland. Hence, it is called as granular epithelium means when a portion of epithelial tissue folds inward to form multicellular glands like sweat glands, salivary glands, thyroid gland, etc. The epithelial cells become specialized for secretion. Since their main function is to form glands, this tissue is called granular epithelium. Where do scales of fishes and feathers of birds grow from? The scales of fishes, reptiles, and feathers of birds grow from epithelium.